The central government's failure to implement the Delhi High Court's order on immediate supply of full quota of oxygen to Delhi evoked the judges' wrath today. The court, which had ordered that Delhi must be given its full quota of oxygen by whatever means, asked the government to explain why a contempt case should not be initiated against it. Enough is enough. We will not take a no regarding oxygen supply. There is no way that you will not supply 700 metric ton oxygen immediately. We will not hear anything except compliance. Contempt proceedings can be the last thing, added the judges who have been hearing a bunch of petitions on the oxygen shortage for more than 2 weeks. Over this period, despite the court's repeated urging, the centre has remained firm on its stance that Delhi has been allocated oxygen according to a calculation that applies to all the states, and it is the Delhi government's mismanagement that has led to the crisis. Around 40 people have died in the national capital, meanwhile, as their hospitals ran out of oxygen. Most hospitals have been flagging the shortage every few hours. Even today, 2 hospitals, one catering only to children, have flagged shortage since morning. 15 districts in Maharashtra, the worst affected state with around 6.6 lakh active cases, are showing a decline in coronavirus caseloads, Health Minister Rajesh Tope said on Tuesday evening. The districts reporting a drop in cases are Mumbai, Aurangabad, Thane, Nashik, Raigad, Nagpur, Latur, Amravati, Nanded, Dhule, Bhandara, Nandurbar, Osmanabad, Chandrapur and Gondia. Tope also said that around 18.5 lakh vaccine doses, 13.58 lakh of Covishield and 4.89 lakh of Covaxin had been ordered as the state steps up vaccination of people in the 18 to 44 age group. The Indian Premier League 2021 has been postponed indefinitely after several players and support staff have tested positive for COVID-19. In an advisory, the BCCI stated the Indian Premier League Governing Council and Board of Control for Cricket in India in an emergency meeting has unanimously decided to postpone IPL 2021 season with immediate effect. The BCCI does not want to compromise on the safety of the players, support staff and the other participants involved in organizing the IPL. This decision was taken keeping the safety, health and well-being of all the stakeholders in the mind. The decision comes after Monday's IPL 2021 match between Kolkata Knight Riders and Royal Challenger Bangalore in Ahmedabad being rescheduled in the wake of Knight Riders spinner Varun Chakravarti and seam bowler Sandeep Warrier tested positive for COVID-19. The ruling Yogi Adityanath government has suffered a major setback with the results of the Panchayat elections held last month. The Akhilesh Yadav-led Samajwadi Party has won a comprehensive victory in Varanasi and Ayodhya, while Mayawati's BSP and Ajit Singh's RLD topped in Mathura, three districts that are important to the Saffron Party's agenda. There has been a special focus on these three districts during the Yogi government's 4-year tenure. The results of the Panchayat elections have proved to be a setback for the BJP government. In Varanasi, the BJP has now lost the Panchayat polls after the election of the Legislative Council. In the parliamentary constituency of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Saffron Party managed to win only 8 out of 40 seats of the district Panchayat. Samajwadi Party has won 14 seats, BSP has got 5 seats, whereas Apna Dal Secular scored 3 seats. Aam Aadmi Party has also opened its account in Varanasi district. Different political parties accuse each other of indulging in post-poll violence in West Bengal. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Tuesday held a meeting with the top administrative officers and police officers of the state and took stock of the situation. The CM's meeting comes after Prime Minister Narendra Modi dialed Governor Jagdeep Dhankar earlier in the day and expressed serious anguish and concern over the worrisome law and order situation in the state. Chief Secretary Alapan Bandyopadhyay, Home Secretary H.K. Dwivedi, Director General of Police P. Niranjanai, and Kolkata Police Commissioner Somen Mitra were present in the meeting with the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.